Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. This is Daily Trading Analysis with a quick market update for today, Monday, 16th of October, starting the week. Today we got New York Empire State Manufacturing Index came in lower than before, not as low as expected, -7, but -4.6, showing signs that the manufacturing is slowing down. That's decent news. And also, Fed Harker said that most probably he thinks that we already peaked interest rates, so there's no need to continue hiking interest rates. So for today, that's all. Apart from that, we got Charles Schwab getting interesting with the with the with the earnings, because basically it crashed earnings and it rose 5.4%. We are going to see that in the chart right now. Let's go ahead and see that. So this is Charles Schwab, and well, pretty clear that we are holding these levels. We are holding these levels at 4% on the day, and another bank that beats revenue, beats earnings in terms of profits, and also gaining revenue due to higher interest rates. Another one that pushed the XLF and Russell 2000 along with the SPI through highs. So in the Russell at the beginning, we started consolidating a little bit down, and then once we cruised higher, we basically held these levels until now. Be careful, because anything can happen in these markets. And if we check the Nasdaq, I was watching, as always, on the 30-minute chart, this thin structure that usually needs the pair, meaning that the market wants to redo this price action in order to fill that intraday gap, or squeeze these people that got no volume. So we have no volume here, and then the point of control here provides a good entry point to a retest. So I traded that early in the morning into the open. I got this pre-market high, look at this, and I took this into the open. I took profits around here. I think I couldn't get, obviously you usually don't get the entire move, and I was watching the retest of the 30-minute. This is the red level, the 30-minute chart retest on this pivot. So I watched that, and basically I got it. I got a nice entry there for a squeeze through high of day. And then we started to see this dull price action, trying to hold the second level on the 30-minute chart, that is this pivot. And then we got this one. I didn't chart this one because we already have this daily level at 15,350. So basically, we got that target, and you need patience. You need patience to see this channel. Obviously, it's quite clear. And once we cross, look at this white moving average, that's the 200 moving average on the 1 minute, simple moving average. Then we broke the descending channel and we tested the highs. Now, as I was mentioning, anything can happen. We couldn't squeeze high of day, and then capitulation. I don't know what is happening. Let's check the news real quick, because I don't think there's any news right now. So when I basically don't have any news, and I don't see why we are doing this kind of thing, 100% retracement down with big volume. Look at this, 6,000 contracts on the NQ. Most probably I'm calling the day. I don't know what is happening. Someone knows something, and you know that Israel, Hamas, Iran, Russia, Saudi Arabia, Ukraine I mean, there's a lot of uncertainty. You don't know everything in this world. So in these times, it's better to manage your risk. And if something so much clear like this fails, it's a sign for me to call it a day and wait for tomorrow. I don't care if it has this bottoming tail, this squeeze. There's a lot of head resistance now. We are below the moving averages. We are below all these people that took the short, and there's a lot of volume up here at point of control. So I don't care. If it squeezes, okay, but that's a low probability situation. Dollar it's in the red today, but yields still going higher. So there's no clear bias for me, overall sentiment to really push for a squeeze. And I mean, I have no intention to on Monday not I don't think that taking trades in a risky way it's good to start the week. So I'm just going to let it finish today, see what happens. The higher low on the daily, it's still possible, and we might see a retest, but there's new, and it's just Monday in a new week. So there's plenty of opportunities. I want high probability trades. I want clear trades, clear days in which I know the sentiment. It's in my advantage. I have the air in my back. So these kind of things, I don't think it's high probability. So I will just take my gains for today and wait for better opportunities tomorrow. And that's all from my side. As always, thank you for your time. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel because I upload videos every single day for market forecast, market updates, and market recap. If you didn't check my weekly recap on Saturday last weekend, please give it a check because it already provides you with a lot of information for last week to review, fundamental analysis, technical analysis for you to be prepared for this week. I'm talking about daily setups and my forecast based on the fundamentals. We still have this double bottom active with a probability of a higher low into the break of the trend line. So that's what I'm watching this week to happen. So for now, these kind of things are still happening. So be really careful. And remember that discipline and risk management are key for success. Stay safe, everyone, and see you tomorrow.